Seeing only dots instead of your balance on the Coinbase app? This is often due to the balance blur privacy feature, a loading error, or a combination of both. The balance blur hides your financial data, while loading errors prevent the app from retrieving your balance from Coinbase's servers. When balances show as dots in Coinbase, it could be intentional privacy protection or an actual loading problem. Let's distinguish between the two. In privacy mode, the dots are intentional. Check your settings, go to Security Privacy, and see if balance blur is enabled. When enabled, balances appear blurred like this, protecting your information from prying eyes. If privacy blur is off, the dots are probably a loading error caused by network issues, corrupted app cache, or server overload. Finally, check if the balance blur appears on all platforms or just one. This consistency can help determine if it's a device-specific issue. Coinbase has a balance visibility toggle feature that can quickly resolve balance display issues. To use it, first go to Settings in the Coinbase app. Navigate to the Privacy section. Disable the balance blur option. This will show your balances clearly. Then close the app completely and open it again. Finally, go back to Privacy settings and re-enable balance blur. This process often fixes display glitches without needing a full restart. The feature lets you quickly switch between blurred privacy mode and visible balances. A weak or unstable internet connection is a common culprit behind loading errors in the Coinbase app. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data signal. Poor signal strength can prevent the app from loading balance data properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes one network works better than the other. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it, as it can sometimes interfere with Coinbase's geolocation-based features and cause loading problems. Corrupted app cache can cause display problems in the Coinbase app. The solution is to clear the cache and data, which removes temporary files that might be interfering with balance loading. On Android devices, start by opening Settings. Then tap Apps to see the list of installed applications. Find Coinbase in the app list and tap it. Then go to Storage and clear both cache and data. This will reset the app's temporary storage. On iOS devices, you may need to offload the app instead. Go to Settings, then General, and Manage Storage. Find Coinbase and choose to offload it, which clears cache while keeping data. Note that clearing data on either platform may require you to log back into the app. This is a very common solution that resolves most display issues. To fix balance display issues, ensure you're using the latest version of the Coinbase app. Outdated versions often contain bugs that cause balances to show as dots. Outdated versions of the app may include unresolved bugs that lead to balance display problems. Coinbase regularly releases updates to fix these issues. On iOS devices, open the App Store app, search for Coinbase, and check if an update is available. If so, tap Update to install the latest version, which may include fixes for balance display bugs. On Android devices, open the Google Play Store app, navigate to My Apps and Games, and look for Coinbase in the update list. Tap Update to install any available version. Coinbase frequently releases updates to fix bugs. For example, version 9.8.0 from October 2025 included specific fixes for balance display problems and improved loading performance. Keeping your app updated ensures you benefit from the latest bug fixes and improvements. If the dots issue persists after trying basic fixes, consider advanced solutions. First, uninstall and reinstall the Coinbase app. This clears all cached data that might be causing display problems. On your device, go to Settings, find Coinbase, and uninstall it. Then reinstall from your app store. Second, ensure your account is fully verified. Unverified accounts may have balance restrictions for regulatory compliance. Complete all verification steps as prompted by Coinbase, including uploading a clear photo of your ID. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps resolve the balance display issue, it's time to contact Coinbase support. The problem could be specific to your account or stem from a server-side issue that requires their assistance. Before reaching out, gather your account details and document the troubleshooting steps you've already tried to provide to the support team. Remember to check Coinbase's status page first for any reported outages or service disruptions. This can help determine if the issue is widespread or isolated to your account. This completes the troubleshooting guide for fixing balance display issues in the Coinbase app.